It could change the rates. It could raise the rates as much as 2 points on second mortgages.
In the economy, state lawmakers right now are considering a bill that could make buying a home in our state more expensive. The measure would increase the cap on interest rates. Fox 17 News' Chris Knowles is in studio now with more on this bill that homeowners, or at least prospective ones, are not going to like.
Right now, that current mortgage interest rate cap is at 8.6%. Now, if Senate Bill 749 passes, it would take that almost up 3% to 11.5%. Today, I talked with state lawmakers to see how this would affect the housing market. Senate Bill 749 changes how interest rates are set for home loans. Right now, the current interest rate is 7.5%. That number is set by auction or bond yields. If the new law passes, rates will soar 4% above the state average. I asked bill sponsor Senator Kenny Yeager about the widespread impact, especially for first-time home buyers.
This bill would not affect that at all. This bill only affects people who already have a mortgage on their home, but are taking a second mortgage on the home. And generally, to answer your question, that first mortgage would probably be their home loan. So it would not affect the home loan mortgage market.
Although Senator Yeager says the bill doesn't affect regular home loans, the language in the bill clearly states home loans are included. Some Democratic lawmakers are against the bill for that very reason. We talked with a realtor who says this could create impending doom in the market.
Mortgage rate increase going from 8.5 to 11.5 approximately would be devastating to a buyer. It's simply not going to make home ownership affordable at all.
Despite the increase, Senator Yeager predicts the exact opposite happening.
It will make them more competitive. It will make I'm reluctant to say the word easier, but there will be a greater market and more choice and more availability of these loans for consumers.
In a statement, Senate Democratic Caucus spokesperson Brandon Putbree says Tennessee families are already struggling to afford a home, and Republicans are making it worse, going on to say it will push home ownership further out of reach and drive families deeper into debt. Right now, as we speak, the bill is being presented on the Senate floor during the session. We'll stay on top of any new developments. Live in studio, Chris Knowles, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.